Hello, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to recover this lovely scarf. Look, the sides are fraying, so I will show you the easiest way to do it. Both of the sides needs to be done. Here I may be able to remove the label and then put it back on, so I can do a proper hem. But let's go and do it. So what we'll do now, this is the right side of the scarf, and we are going to put a little just straight stitching very near the edge. So don't worry, just tiny bit, and we will cut the rest and then we'll finish it off. I'll show you. I will just do this bit first. So fold probably 1/2 centimeter, so we can start sewing the little edge and do as further as possible to the edge. And this is folding towards the face bit of the scarf, not the back. So now we did this straight stitch, can you see it? So what we'll do, very carefully, we will start cutting what is not needed. So be careful not to cut the back of the scarf. Try and cut as close to the straight stitching we did. Just move it into it here. So now we have cut it nicely. Look how nice it is. So to continue now and finish the hem, we are turning it into the back side of the fabric. And now what we'll do once, and then we'll turn once more So this is how we will cover it. I'll show you. And it will be absolutely lovely hem. So you can see how lovely this hem looks now, and this is the facing bit, this is the inner bit. So here can you see a little bit of the fraying bit has come out, but we can just go nicely and cut it. And I will add the label at this stage. So I put it. So here it is. It needs to go at this corner here. And you do it from the inner bit inside. So what I did here, I didn't like the edge, so I put a little bit of zigzag to secure it. And this is the label. So it is halfway done. I go ahead and do, if you need to do a second the other side, I will definitely do it, but I won't show it. And this is how you can create a nice hem. Look how pretty this hem is. If you had any damaged scarf. I need to deal with this side now. I'll do the same as I showed you. And now we have completed our scarf. Look how lovely it looks. This side and this side. Absolutely gorgeous. I hope you like this tutorial. You will try the method I showed you, and you will share, like, subscribe and comment. See you next time.